I'm Keegan Jones. I do the gardening side of FFA. There's not a lot of people that do that. Everybody's kind of animals and tractors, so I thought I'd start doing a garden, and it seems to be doing pretty well out here. And I just enjoy having the fresh fruits and vegetables that come out of here all year long, and it's a win-win overall. I started FFA my freshman year, and I've been in it every year. I know this garden, it started in 2013 or 2014. It's just real small. My sister got involved. She's 2 years older than me, so she brought me into it basically. I helped her for a couple years before, and then I took it over after my sophomore year, and it's only gotten bigger and better ever since. I'm pretty sure this garden out here, it got started because the Historical Society, they didn't like mowing all the area. So they asked Cooper, our FFA teacher, if he wanted to start a garden out here, and he said yeah, and it became part of me, and I just enjoyed doing it. Well, we grow everything you can imagine. We have cabbage, broccoli, all different types of squash, cucumbers, beans, peas, tomatoes. We have different sizes of tomatoes. We have different spiciness levels of peppers. In the back, we have potatoes, several different varieties of them. We have onions running along here. We have our strawberry plants down here. They're pretty nice. The community around us, I feel like they saw how good we were doing with our garden out here and how I was winning at the state fair all these years, and they decided to join together, make this garden over here. It's doing really good itself too. And so this is my FFA garden, and that's their community garden. We don't get in each other's gardens, but we work together. We help each other out if we need any help or anything like that. For us, we're only a family of 4. We end up just taking what we need. We have people that we share this with that help us with the garden as well. They can come in and take what they need. We've donated to the assisted living homes out here in Nevada, and we donated to the high school even last year, and it's nice seeing all the faces light up whenever you donate all the food, and yeah, it feels good on the inside. Going through FFA, I submit all my vegetables at the fair. Last year I ended up getting reserve champion overall, and I got grand champion in the decorative box. I believe that more people should get into gardening. It's a great thing. It helps out communities and families, and you can donate to anybody and everybody to help them out too. I like doing it because it makes me enjoy being outside more, and it helps out my family and others. So I just enjoy doing it more than whatever I receive in return. I could get recognition, I could not. It doesn't matter to me. I'm a gardener either way.